Amy here with Never Regret Vacations, and now it's time to comply with Amy. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Amy, and I am a professional traveler as well as a travel agent, and I live in the Central Florida area, so depending on what I got planned in my life, you never know where you might find me. In today's video, I am excited to share that I am visiting Cancun tomorrow in the time frame that you're seeing this in. Of course, I've already been there and come back, but I am traveling to Cancun, Mexico for 4 nights to visit Dreams Natura, which is an all-inclusive located just a little south of the Cancun airport. For those of you that aren't super familiar with all-inclusives, Dreams is now run and owned by Hyatt. Yes, Hyatt Hotels, which is new as of about a year or so ago. Also, it is an all-inclusive, it is family friendly, but keep in mind there are a couple of adult-only aspects that I'm gonna share and show with you because we are going without children. So we are staying in Preferred Club, so I'm so excited to show you the room that we end up getting, as well as talking to you about what Preferred Club looks like. For anybody who's new to the world of all-inclusives, it is literally just that. You just go and you wine, dine, and enjoy yourself. All your food, alcohol, activities are included. And then we chose to add on our own private transfers, and I will also show that experience as well. So tomorrow we are flying JetBlue. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the MCO Terminal C update, as well as getting there, transfers, and then our room tour. So let's go head on vacation. Hi and good morning. Today is a travel day, so it is very early, so it's like 6 a.m. We're about to leave for the airport. I did just want to speak briefly on entry requirements for Mexico as of today, which the date is May 23rd. So Mexico, all you need right now is a passport, which is great. Do make sure that you have at least 6 months of validity. I say that for every destination. Some destinations vary in that rule, but 6 months. If you are close, just go ahead and renew. But you do need a valid passport, and then typically there is some sort of declaration form as you come in, but typically the airline just hands that out, and it's just paper, and it's real easy to get in the country. So yeah, let's go ahead to Cancun. All right, so we have just gotten to the Orlando airport. This is the brand new Terminal C. As you can see, this is the little JetBlue check-in area. So most of your carriers over here are international carriers. And here are some of the names of some of them, except for JetBlue, which is really, well, I guess in Sunwing too. There's not many American carriers over here, so mostly international. So around this time of the day, which it's like 9 a.m., it's about 8 a.m. right now. It's mostly just the JetBlue push, and then later on tonight, most of the international carriers really don't start pushing until around dinner time. So about to go through security. I'll show you more Terminal C. All right, so we are now in Terminal C. So this is the main atrium area. It's real pretty. So last time you saw in my video, a lot of this stuff was not built out yet. So everything's just about filled out in terms of like stores and offerings. So it's real pretty here. Lots of great shopping if you want to do that. Oh, look at that cool buggy. That's pretty fun. Now let's enjoy some breakfast at the Sunshine Diner, which is brand new to the Terminal C airport. This is owned by Chef Art Smith, who also owns Homecoming at Disney Springs. Open for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and cocktails, this is the perfect stop for your southern meal. Now let's board our flight to Cancun. From Orlando to Cancun, it was only about a 2-hour trip, which is very quick. We really enjoyed our experience with JetBlue. JetBlue is a great airline that offers good free amenities, also plenty of legroom. Let's enjoy some beautiful views of the ocean and Mexico as we come into land. While we do this, I want to talk a little bit more about travel agents because there's a lot of misconceptions out there. As your travel agent, I am completely free to use. Yes, free. The vendor pays me my commission, which if you book direct with a vendor, you pay the exact same price whether or not you work with me. Yes, those fees are already baked into the price you are paying, so why not use a travel agent? There are a number of benefits when working with me. The first benefit is my knowledge. I have been to many of the destinations you are considering, so I can give you firsthand experience on what to expect. Also, with a travel agent, remember, travel nightmares do happen more often than we'd like to admit. I'm here to help you throughout the entire planning process and travel process until you get home to your front door. Through my relationships with the vendors I book, I can leverage some additional savings for your next trip. Also, when you book with me, I do offer booking incentives and gifts that'll add more value to the price you're paying. If you're looking to work with me, my details are listed in the description down below. Remember, I work for Never Grew Up Vacations, and I can be reached at amy@nevergrewupvacations.com. Upon landing in Mexico, we actually did not even need to complete a paper immigration form. They now have virtual kiosks that you scan your US passport and then you're permitted into the country, no paperwork needed. In this clip here, we are headed to our resort in our private transfer. I highly recommend pre-booking any sort of transportation to and from your resort before you leave for your trip. It can be very overwhelming when you land at the Mexico airport and everyone hounds you to transfer with them. In the details listed below, I will drop the name of the transfer company that we used. All right, and we have just checked into our room. We are located on the 7th floor. Just for reference, we again are in a preferred club master suite, so wait until you see this room. I'm so excited to show it off, so let's take a look. All right, so be prepared for the lengthy room tour because it's a huge room. So front door, again, 7th floor. We are at the tail end of the hallway. First, you have in the living room area, you have an extra bath, which is like so huge, especially if it's a family staying in here. You can pull out the sofa and it is a sleeper. All right, so after the bathroom here, this is the, let me go to the wet bar first and the mini bar. So mini bar is included in your room. So it might be a little bit different if you're just staying regular and not preferred club. So an espresso machine, which I will say is a huge perk. We have a bottle of tequila. We'll see if we end up drinking that. And then you do have a fridge here with a number of different amenities. So, oops, a couple beers, sodas, juices, some candy, so that's great. And then over here, just your glasses, okay? And they'll basically bring what you want for the most part, so just ask for it. You do have a living room here. Again, remember, because this is a master suite, obviously we have so much space, it's like almost unreal. It's our anniversary, so we did get a nice bottle of champagne, so I'm excited to pop that tonight. They brought us a nice fruit tray as well. This is your first of your TVs. Huge sofa and lounger. I'm gonna go outside next, but just a little sneak peek of what the outside looks like. Coming into the bedroom, you have a nice little armchair here, a nice complimentary bag that you can take home with you as a little souvenir. All right, master bedroom is here. This is a king size bed, and you do have robes to use here because of the preferred club. We have a couple different views. I'm gonna show you the balcony here in just a moment, but we do have, we'll call it a side view. This is just kind of a little step out balcony. As you can see, there's no chairs over here. And I think he went away, but there was a crocodile that we just saw eat a bird, kind of like down here in this lagoon. So note, if you're visiting Cancun, there are crocodiles, and note that they are on the property. So just note that. I have seen pictures on Facebook about sometimes over here in the ocean, so I'll keep posted on that. A little crocodile view. All right, continuing on here. Continuing on here, you have a tech-savvy iPad, which you can do a lot here. I know we're gonna do some room service at some point throughout the week. This is our second TV with some additional storage here, some shelves to put your stuff in. Just kind of an overall shot of the bathroom. You have his and her closets on both sides, which is like huge. More drawers. Okay, so you got his and hers. This bathtub, oh, I'm going to be in this bathtub at some point in the next couple days. Because of it being preferred club, you do get enhanced amenities, so bath salts, which again, I will be using, thank you. His and her sinks here, makeup mirror, tons of storage. It's pretty unreal, the amount of space here. I know we're in the master suite, so it's a little bit different. So a couple things you're getting here. You're getting your Dreams bath care products. So it comes with soaps, vanity kit. You do have some toothpaste, mosquito spray, helpful, very helpful. They do give you sunscreen in the preferred club, which again, huge. Body lotion, so lots of stuff. World famous incense, which we will be burning shortly, because if you know, you know. And then let's turn on the lights. We're gonna work on this light situation. Here we go. Okay, so one side is your toilet, and the other side is a very large, very beautiful shower. And then in here you do have additional Bath and Body products. It looks like Gilchrist and Psalm. So if you've ever stayed at any of the Dreams, Breathless Secrets, all the same. Now, let's go master reveal here of the balcony, which you can see Corey is enjoying. This is just for us, so note that we are not sharing this with anybody else. All right, here we go, stepping out. All right, so I got the husband there, 2 lounge chairs. We do have a hot tub. Yes, we have a hot tub on our balcony, which we will be found in later on today. We have the most beautiful ocean views, basically straight down. We are like the highest room in the corner. Other rooms are right there, so if you do have adjoining parties, you could move these partitions. And then some loungers and some chairs. And there was our travel day as well as our room tour. Again, remember this is a preferred club master suite oceanfront view. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found this helpful. We love staying at Dreams. This is not the first Dreams property we've been to. It definitely will not be the last. All in all, we love it. It's just so great. So much to do, great food, great drinks. Relax, unwind, that's all you need. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you're looking to book your next all-inclusive vacation, my details are listed down in the description down below. I'm also gonna link some of the other all-inclusives that I've toured as of recent, so you can look at those as well. But feel free to reach out to me for your next complimentary quote, as my services are free to use. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and until next time, happy travels, bye.